car that takes you anywhere you want to go. The Model T. Strong, sturdy, with a will of its own.
Fine. Yes, I'd love to. Thanks, Jean. I'll be there. 2 o'clock. Goodbye. You know, 3 weeks ago, I couldn't have accepted that invitation. Like so many people these days, we live in the suburbs, and Dave needs the car every day for business. When he was gone, I was practically a prisoner in my own home. I couldn't get out to see my friends, couldn't take part in PTA activities. Well, I couldn't even shop when I wanted to. I had to wait till Thursday night after Dave brought the car home. But that's all changed now. 3 weeks ago, we bought another Ford. The new, low-price, custom-line Victoria. Isn't it stunning? Dave has it all to himself. And I now have the ranch wagon all to myself. It's a whole new way of life. Now I'm free to go anywhere, do anything, see anybody anytime I want to. It's only good common sense. Why be stuck with one expensive car when you can enjoy all the fun and freedom of 2 fine Fords?
Today, more and more families are finding out how easy it is to become 2 Ford families. You can choose from 20 different models, colors galore, and each available with Thunderbird power, with styling inspired by the famous Ford Thunderbird, and each with the extra protection of Ford's Lifeguard design. See your Ford dealer soon.
Gleason, the Honeymooners, with the stars, Art Carney, Audrey Meadows, Joyce Randolph, brought to you by your Buick dealer. And away we go.
This is the step beyond success. The step of a man who has arrived at the top and doesn't have to prove a thing. The step of a man who relies on his own judgment and isn't swayed by any standard but true worth. This is the man who chooses a 1956 Buick Roadmaster because he likes it best. This man knows fine cars. He has tried them all and has decided for himself that no other car can offer the luxuries he naturally expects, plus all the advantages of Buick engineering, Buick performance, Buick ride. Any man who can appreciate the fine points of a car feels right at home in a Roadmaster. He instantly recognizes that here, in addition to a full complement of comforts, are all the tested and proved qualities of the successful Buick line. Exclusive qualities brought to their peak of perfection in a 56 Roadmaster. He knows this is the cream of the crop, the custom-built master car that begins with famous Buick attributes, then climbs to a class all its own. For example, only in a Buick can he command the instant response of new variable pitch Dynaflow, the most modern transmission available in any car. Only in a Buick can he obtain the infinite smoothness with which new variable pitch Dynaflow delivers that extra burst of power. It is possible to pay more for a car if you feel that you have to. But if you are one of the people who can afford to be selective, who can choose simply on a best-of-breed basis, make it a point to be introduced to the 1956 Roadmaster. Your Buick dealer will gladly do the honors.